In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a limit order on ETrade. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to avoid common mistakes so your order behaves the way you expect. First, log in to your ETrade account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the trade section. This is where you'll enter orders and manage the details that control how and when they execute. Next, search for the stock you want to trade. You can type the ticker symbol like AAPL or TSLA into the search bar. Make sure you've selected the correct symbol and that you're looking at the right company, especially if there are multiple classes of shares or similarly named securities. From here, choose whether you want to buy or sell. Buy is for opening or adding to a position, while sell is for reducing or closing one. Selecting the correct side is crucial, so take a quick second to confirm you're on the right one. Find the order type menu and switch it from market to limit. A market order fills at the best available price right now, which can move quickly. A limit order, on the other hand, tells the system the exact price you're willing to accept. It gives you price control, but it's not guaranteed to fill if the market never reaches your price. Now enter your limit price. For a buy limit, this is the maximum you're willing to pay. For a sell limit, it's the minimum you're willing to accept. For example, if the stock is trading at $100 and you set a buy limit at $95, the order will only execute at $95 or lower. If the price never drops to $95, the order simply won't fill. This is the trade-off. You get price protection, but you might miss the trade if the market moves away. Enter the quantity, which is how many shares you want. Be mindful of your buying power and the total cost. If you're buying, multiply the limit price by the number of shares to estimate your order value. Choose the duration if you want. A day order will automatically expire at the end of today's trading session if it isn't filled. GTC, or good till canceled, keeps your order working for a longer period until it fills or you cancel it, subject to the broker's time limits. Finally, review your order carefully. Confirm the symbol, buy or sell, order type set to limit, your limit price, quantity, and the duration. Double-check the estimated cost and any applicable fees. If everything looks right, you're set and ready to proceed with confidence.